Let's imagine you wake up on a fine summer day. You're feeling good, feeling like you're a fine anatomical specimen, and you want to share that with the world by going to the beach. However, suddenly you notice the weather takes a turn for the worse, as dark clouds roll in and then the thunder and lightning begins. Multiple lightning strikes followed by multiple bouts of thunderous sounds lasting seconds at a time. And you might think to yourself, could these loud noises damage my inner ear anatomy and therefore affect my hearing? Well, if you paid close attention, you might notice that the first split second of the thunder is a little bit louder than the remaining 2 to 3 seconds in which it lasts. And that is because you have our first amazing muscle, the smallest muscle in the human body. And this muscle is designed to help protect your hearing.